Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you the most recent product, which is Nestkeeper Hotel Resort and Property Management System. So this is our demo login. So I'm just showing you from the admin login. Just keep in mind that admin and property owner login have the same panel. So let's see from the main admin login. So today I'm going to show you our main menu, which is dashboard, users and roles, tenants, maintenance. So when you open the dashboard, the first thing will catch your eye is the account balance. Here you can see the complete account balance from the last month. The next thing you can see the booking, the agreements you have, the financial details, the income, the expenses, the due amount. Okay, the next, if you scroll down, you can see the properties, how many properties you have, how many vacant, how many occupied, how many unlisted. And at a glance, you can see last 30 days, last month details, the how many paid invoices you have, how many pending invoices you have, how many recent payments you have received, as well as a complete overview in an analytical way. Just a bit scroll down, the last thing you can see is this recent activity, how many properties you have checked in this month, how many checked out, and also the very recent transactions will be shown in a listed way here with the date, with the price, and also with the status. So let's show you each and everything in details from dashboard. You can easily get connected to those portals or the panels directly. If you click in this clickable arrow, it will take you to the booking option where you can see these bookings in complete details way with the booking number, date, your property, your tenant details, your dates, your pricing, your total amount, your booking type, your status, your source from like who got it out. And if you want to have any kind of adjustments, you can just click in this action button to see the bookings, to see, even can see the agreement. It will just take you to the agreement directly. The booking is connected to the agreement actually. So here you can see the complete booking details with the booking information, the financial information, the property information, as well as the tenant information. The next thing you can see, which is the agreement details. Here you can see the information of the agreements, the financial information, the property information, the tenant information. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see the agreement history, including the events, the username, the date and time, the details. And if you want to have a printed copy of this agreement, you can simply click in the print agreement option and you can just print out the complete rental agreement from here. Okay, so now let's see our next thing. One more thing is you can just create any booking if you want, but just by clicking in a create button, you can create the complete new booking from this option. Okay, so now let's see the next one, which is our agreement. Same like the booking, you will get linkable arrow option where you will click. It will take you to the agreement details records where you can see all the agreement number, date, property, your tenant, your date, your sign by, your advance payment status, your status, and any kind of adjustments or any kind of thing you're going to see. Just click on the action button. It will show you the next option, which is here we can see the show. That means you can see the specific agreement. I can have a view of this agreement, which I have just viewed it from the booking option. You can see this in separately from this agreement part. And same like before, you can have the print agreement option here as well, because this and that is the same thing connected to each other. Okay, so if you want to have the complete thing in your CSV file, you can just simply export it from here and you will just export the complete details of this agreements. Now let's see the next one, which is finance. Here you can see at a glance of the income, the expenses, the due amount. So if you click in the linkable arrow, same like the booking and agreement, you will find the option You can see complete records of your payments. So as you can see from here, it takes you to the payment invoices directly. Here you can see the payments, the payment number, the invoice number as well, the tenant information, the amount, the payment method, payment date, your status, and as also the you can find same action button here where it will show you the option. You can see, you can view the complete payment information, and if you want you can print the complete strip just by clicking on the option. Let me show you how the pages look. So this is the payment details option where you can find the information, the payment details, the related invoice, and also the tenant information. And exactly from here, you will get the same like the agreement script we see. You will get the payment receipt, which you can easily have the printout just by clicking the print option. And now let's see the next one, which is the invoices. Okay, so now our second one is the properties. So just by clicking same in the clickable option, you can see the complete property details. Like at a glance, you can see now how many vacancy you have, how many occupied, and how many unlisted at a glance. But now if you click in this option, you can see the complete property details here. If you want, you can search by the keywords. If you want, you can search by the vacancies, how many occupied, how many reserved, just by selecting and pressing in the search button. If you want, you can add a new properties as well in this section. So from dashboard, it will take you to the property setup option. You can view each and every modules. So I'm just showing you our main menus where what is connected to. The next one you will see is the last month overview. At a glance, you can see the complete paid invoices, how many you have, how many pending invoices you have, and also how many received payments you have. So simply, if you click on the report, you can see the complete payment reports at a glance. You can see here the total payments, the net amount, the total fees, total records, the cash payments you have, the bank payment you have. And same like before, you can see each and every details, including the invoice number and the payment number in the record section. If you want to just export all of these records at once, just click in the export button and you can just export it. So now let's see the next option you can get in the dashboard is the receive payments. Simply clicking in the here, it will take you the payment option. And if you want to view it, same like that, you can view each and everything. And also you can see the invoices from here if you want, with all the invoice number, the tenant details, the property details, the type of payment, like the type of property they have purchased, the total amount, the paid amount, the due date, the status. And if you want to have any kind of adjustments, just click on the action button. It will help you to view the complete each and every particular invoices. And also if you want to print it, you can just print it out. I can show you at a glance. The pages will look like this, and the page of view will look like this of the single each and every tenants uses, just like the bookings and the agreements we have seen. Okay, so now let's see what's next, which is our recent activities. Just by clicking all, you will see here each and everything. By clicking the today's checking, it will show today's checkout, how many checked out. It will show in recent activity. And here's another option, which is recent transaction. How many recent transaction you have all this time, like the rent of your properties, with the date, with the prices, with the status. You will see at a glance in the main dashboard of our system, which is really, really nice. So the main menu have 4 options. So we have done with the first one. Let's see the second one, which is users and roles. Here the users, you can see the system who is using. Suppose here are 3 of them with their emails, with their phone number, with the role, with the status, and with the serial number of them. If you want to select them, just select by here. If you want to select by status, you can just select from here. And also If you want, you can just search by the keyword here. And if you want to have any kind of adjustment, just click on the action button. You can give them permissions separately. You can edit this and you can delete this. Let me show you the permission page. It's really important. The permissions you can give just by selecting it here, by giving like this, selecting it, and just clicking the update now button. The user permission will be updated. If you want to create any new user, you can just simply type the name, the email, the phone number. You can just in images, if you want to browse, you can just select here. You can give the signature of the user, the role you can select, and also submit. Just clicking on the submit now button, it will be recorded in this field. Now let's see the roles. Actually, the role is connected to the users. The users in which roles they're playing the system is given here, and also it will show how many permissions you have just given them. With the maintainer, like have total permission 12, from where he's logged in, which service you have permission to log in, each and everything will be shown at a glance. If you want to have any kind of adjustments, just click in the edit button here and you can edit the whole thing. And if you want to create a new role, you can just click on the create button and you can create it additionally. The next thing is the logged history, the very interesting part where you can see the user logged in with from which city he logged in, the location, including the system, and the system IP is also recorded at the same time. If you want to have any kind of adjustment, you can just simply click from the action button, and you can we can see one action you can take from here is delete it. So if you want, you can just delete the whole thing at once or particularly from this action button. And here you can see all the information at a glance, and there's a recorded file and serially. Okay, so now let's see our third one, which is tenants. Here the tenants you can see with the name, email number, your phone number, their national ID, their birth date, gender details, property name, property code, and if they're verified or not, the status, each and every details at a glance you can see. And if you want to see particularly with more details, you can have a view from the users, or you can do one thing. You can just simply click on the edit button. If you want to have any adjustments, you can add it from here and just click on the submit now button. Will update your information of that specific tenant. And if you want to add in a new tenant, just click on the add new button, where you have to fill up this form with full name, email, gender, date of birth, your blood group, your occupation, your religion, your national ID, your phone number, status, country, phone, each and every information is given in the form. You have to fill this up and click on the submit button. Thus, your new tenant is added in the record. Okay, so now the last one from our main menu is the maintenance. Here you can see all the types of maintenance. If you want to create any maintenance, you can just simply type the title, the activity, you can activate it, inactivate it, and just click on the submit button. And all this you can just see in the all maintenance option. So I'm not going to that page anymore. So this is the complete main menu that today I have shared with you. Thank you so much for viewing. That's all from today. Bye.